So you want to reset your Mac to the default factory settings. Probably this is not working correctly and you want to reinstall your Mac operating system, or maybe you are sending it back to Apple or selling it away. Whatever the case may be, we have you covered right over here. So before you can actually reset your Mac, there are few things that you should do from within the Mac operating system. So first and foremost, what you need to do is in your Mac operating system, sign out of your Apple ID. To do that, go to System Preferences, go to the Apple ID on the top right corner. From here, go to the Overview section and then click on Sign Out. So now that you have signed out of your Apple account from the Mac operating system, it's time to do the factory reset. To do that, first of all, you got to shut down your Mac. Once you have shut down, you need to restart your Mac into the recovery mode. Now, booting into recovery mode depends on what kind of system you have. Right now, I have over here an Intel based Mac. Now, if you have an Intel based Mac, you need to press down Command and R button while doing a restart. But right now over here, I have an M1 based Mac. Your Command and R button will not work on an M1 based Mac. To go into recovery mode, keep pressing the power button on your M1 based Mac operating system. It's going to say continue holding for the startup menu, and it is going to load the startup menu for you. Once you are on this screen, it will give you an option to boot into your Mac operating system or go to the options setting. Click on option and click on continue. Okay, once you boot into the recovery mode, you'll have this screen over here. Over here, what you need to do is you need to go on to disk utility, click on continue. In the disk utility, you'll have a drive over here which has your Mac operating system installed. Click on the drive, click on erase, and over here you can select the format. By default, APFS is the format which Mac operating system uses. Click on erase over here. It is going to unmount and erase everything from your drive. Click on done. Now your Mac operating system has been removed from this drive altogether. Close this section, and now what you got to do is you got to reinstall your Mac operating system. Click on continue. It is going to contact the Apple server and reinstall the fresh copy of Mac operating system. And once the installation completes, you'll have the Mac OS initial setup screen right in front of you. You can now just turn off the computer, send it to whosoever you want to send it across.